Next, I'm going to discuss about the drain method of this program. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method here that go inside. So at here I've taken four integer variable. First is a, second b, c, and on next high. So at here high initialized to 0. So at here console class dot write line method. So whatever I double code that display into the output screen. And whatever I'm going to enter, so that received by a. So I'm going to enter a value 12. Hereafter console class dot write line method. So double quote enter second number, so that display into the output screen, and whatever I'm going to enter, so that received by b. So I'm going to enter b value 6. Again console class dot write line method. So enter third number, that display output screen, and whatever I'm going to enter, so that received by c. So I'm going to enter c value 7. So at here if statement, so that check a greater than high. So a value is 12 and high value is 0. So at here 12 greater than 0 condition is true. So a value go to high. So a value is 12, that go to high. Hereafter check if b greater than high. B value is 6 and high value is 12. 6 greater than 12 condition is not true, that not going to do anything. So at here c greater than high. C value is 7 and high value 12. So 7 greater than 12, so that's not true, not do anything. So add your console class dot write line method. So whatever I double quote, so that display into the output screen, and the value of high concatenate. So output come highest number among 3 equal to 12. Suppose if I enter at here 13, here 15, here 6. So check the condition if a greater than high. So a value is now 13, high value again that initialized to 0. So 13 greater than 0 condition is true, a value go to high, 13 go to high. Now next check again if b greater than high. So b value is 15 and high value is 13. So 15 greater than 13 condition is true. So b value go to high. So b value is 15, that go to high. So high become 15. Now hereafter if c greater than high, c value is 6, high value is 15. So 6 greater than 15 condition is not true, not do anything. So at here that print console class dot writer method, whatever in double quote, so that print highest number among 3 equal to 15. So 15 is the greatest among 13 and 6. Suppose if I enter at here 19, 21 and 31, and at here high value 0. So check the condition 19 greater than high. So 19 greater than 0 condition is true. So a value go to high. So high become 19. Now b greater than high. So b value is now 21. 21 greater than 19 condition is true. So b value go to high. So 21 go to high. Now hereafter c greater than high. C value is 31. High value 21. 31 greater than 21 condition is true. So c value go to high. So c come there and enter console dot write line highest number among 3 equal to 31. So that print high value. So hereafter console cross dot return method, so that take one input from keyword and terminate the output. So if you enter this, this is 3 number, so 12 is greater, so that print 12. So at here 15 is greater, so that print 15, and add here 31 is getting, so that print 31. So this is the drawing method of this program. So I hope guys you understand. So thanks for watching. See you next time.